The Starlink Mini Battery Adapter provides a reliable power solution compatible with De.Walt 20-volt and 18-volt DCB series batteries, ensuring a stable supply for your satellite internet device. Thanks to its lightweight and portable design, this adapter can easily be carried and installed whether you are at home, outdoors, or traveling. Its user-friendly plug-and-play feature allows for simple setup, making it accessible for non-technical users without any complicated installation steps. Built with high-quality materials and integrated circuits, the adapter offers efficient and reliable power transmission, protecting your device from power fluctuations. The unique connection design of the included adapter ensures durability and compatibility, providing dependable support without any complex operations. With a dedicated customer service team, Limerexan guarantees quality after-sales service, addressing any concerns promptly to ensure customer satisfaction.